to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Press-on nails have been so hot and poppin' right now that I wanted to try it for myself. And I used all gel products, so you do need a UV light for this tutorial. But I've seen others that use just regular nail polish. But for me, I used my Modelones base coat, and I did get my tips from Amazon, the Makartt brand, and I really love them. After I cured that for 60 seconds, I'm going in with my candy coat number 12. It's a really pretty pink. And honestly, compared to other gel nail polishes, the candy coat consistency is really nice. Like, it's really creamy, it's very buttery, and it applies very well. After I cured that for 60 seconds, I'm going with 837. It's just an accent nail, but this glitter is just, beautiful. Then I went in with my Modelones 009, and this is another one of these consistencies that are really creamy. But I did notice that you need the right brush because I used like a cheaper brush and it was very streaky. But I'm using my Beetles brush that I also got on Amazon, and as long as you have the right amount of product, it doesn't come out streaky. Now I'm going in with my second coat for all the nails, and then I'm also curing that for 60 seconds. These press-on nails only took me 20 minutes. Like, it was incredible. I wish polygel nails took this long, but they came out so pretty, and I wanted to keep them on forever. Like, that's how pretty they were. And honestly, when you're in a rush, just do this, pop them on, and you'll walk out of the house and you're good to go. After I cured that for 60 seconds, of course, I need my bling. So I got my top coat from Modelones, and I kind of wanted to go with that accent nail that has gems all around the nail. So we'll see how it came out. Déjenme saber lo que ustedes creen because I'm just obsessed. Like, look at that. You obviously need to put a top coat because it is gels, so put a top coat on all of them, and then you prep your nails the way you would prep your nails for anything else. You take out the cuticles, buff the nails, and then with some nail glue or some stickies, you press them on, and look. I hope you all love this nail look. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe, y nos vemos en la próxima.